Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we are going to discuss how to design expressions using the date@ function in the reporting grid. So, let's get started. First, navigate to the reporting section and open the sales register detailed report. Go to Setup column attributes to proceed with adding the expression. Before proceeding, we need to make a small change in the configuration. Go to Other Settings, and here, set the script editor to VBScript for better performance. By default, whenever you create a new configuration, the script window is set to VBScript. However, if it is not set by default, you can manually go to Other Settings and change it to VBScript. Refresh the report. Once you have saved the configuration, return to the Setup column attributes section and click on Add or Edit expression columns to proceed. Make sure to begin the script with the required keyword at the top, single quotes #L script. This should always be included at the beginning of the script. Simply click on the Add New Expression button indicated by the plus sign. Enter the expression name and select the type, either text or numeric, depending on the nature of the expression. After that, double-click on the newly created expression to insert it into the script editor. Start the expression with the date@ keyword followed by an opening bracket. In this function, you can specify the interval by using double quotes, for example, enter M to indicate months. Then, add a comma and use another function, cDate, to convert the string into a proper date format. Open the brackets for cDate, then search for and insert the bill date field from the available columns. After that, close the brackets for the cDate function, add a comma, and enter the number of months or days to be added to the bill date. Finally, close the brackets for the date@ function. This expression effectively adds 1 month to the bill date. Once the expression is defined, save it. Next, scroll down, check the box to enable the column, and view the result of the defined function in the report. Finally, refresh the report. Based on the interval specified, 1 month will be added to the bill date in the new expression. Similarly, to add days to a specific date, you need to enter the D interval, which represents days. Define 10 as the number of days to be added, and then save the expression. Now, let's review the result. As you can see, the new expression displays the date with 10 days added to the original bill date.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.